Oh, no, see me?
Nice talking.
Over there. Yeah.
Oh, everything is I shot my finger. Oi. What there? Dala tinggal. What there? That's all, man.
Bush life na peeps. Yannick, guys, more away na. I mean, you know why they don't put on the fish? Roast fish.
Good day and welcome back to the channel, my beautiful peeps. So today, guys, I catch some fish, some river fish we are going for today. So, wild tilapia, invasive jaguar cichlids. Me, Mari, the whole gifted done to family, should I say, and you know, uncle. See? But me there from Mari farm right now, guys. I'm going to show you what we are, look a preview what I'm going. So, greenhouse. Yeah. What? Greenhouse, good my peeps. So, how are you, Mari?
Hot pepper.
Hot pepper. Yeah.
Catch bunny, ready for plant.
Oh. So them bush upon here, what going flat?
Alright, then I have a keyboard fly.
Keyboard fly?
Yeah.
Oh, that not bad. And every day you have to water the nursery, right?
Yeah, every day I have to water like 3 hours apart.
3 hours apart?
Mm-hmm.
Eh? I won't put water in that one.
Can I do that?
Yeah.
It's just because I gravel.
Yeah.
And the sun, I go dry them out fast.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
So Mario has some pepper in our ground, peeps. Mario has some pepper and some calaloo. So, what I say pepper them there? And some cantaloupe. We are going to pepper tree them, guys. So, anyway, I'm going to replant the pepper them and things. So, I'm going to make them dry down. You start replant. Oh, yeah, see them there. The new field you see down as a peeps. Start replant it in. Yeah, man. So, yes, my peeps.
All I have some replant.
All of this. Alright, so it's a whole field. Some pepper the pan tree there. So yes.
Maybe we have to go to the other side.
Alright, got you. Yes, my peeps. So I'm going. Scotchy pan tree.
One I upload on in a week.
I say, and all of them I upload on in a week, Marissa, guys. Right now. And the land I got dig up back for plant over back. Yeah, them good, yes, but
what I normally do, I make anybody want pepper just come. I mean, I will just waste them. So.
Alright, peeps, so I get a few scotch bonnet. We'll cook it in. Roast fish. And we have a piece of chicken breast and some chips. So I'm gonna do that too, peeps. In the meantime, we are going to look some more pepper. So stay tuned and look what I'm going. Huh? Oh, the nuggets. Alright. Weak. Agwan. You good? So like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Where's it going? Pepper feet? Pepper me have them close. Pepper feet? Eh? Eh? You know?
You must have put something on cap it. And I can use in our kitchen. Yeah, man, I tell him, I couldn't believe when the man showed me.
You know?
Cap the pit with something and it turn cooking gas.
Food. Ah, what's that food? I'm putting it.
You go back and have a look around, but you show me the gas.
Wee! Wee. Guys, one quirky outdoor. Oh, living. Yo, look at the head, some youth. Eh? Look at the head, sir.
Yeah, man, yeah, dear brother.
There.
But I tell you, look before me had somewhere because we have a whole place to cut up the whole way them.
Oh yeah, I cut on the
Yeah,
place.
but you guess what happened? The grass from the rain fall, for we not get the rain make it grow up because the grass we not dead out.
Yeah.
And I eat that still, you know?
Yeah.
That's a job, right? Yeah, boy, I get a sudden man. What? That's it,
We are going on a thing there. So, you know, time to look some worm. So, go on. Yeah, man. So, I do outside. I look some worm. David did down also. Chef, you there, so I make a cup for you worm. We have a couple worm in this already. Water full up back peeps. No water in this the other day. No water. See a fuck up a ground, sir. Alright, yeah. Can't shift, you know. Show us one day. Oh, what that? Come. Outside though, you know? Yes, my peeps, so you know, so don't dig around and things, so you can jump off line. Jump off the line, Yannick. Yeah, walk me bill. Walk me it? Yeah, walk me one. Alright, watch out. I can throw it off, so let it go. Let it go. Alright, watch out. It's remote. Okay, line stay there, so something must bite it today. Alright, so peeps. Nice, tilapia in the water here, so it can go on for me. Crocodiles, what's in the water, you know? You think?
Probably.
Shine bridge water this, see me, you know. And peeps, so I like them fish are travel over the bank in the car. It's because we have access over the bank in here. I'm gone over, so.
We get some better engine now, too.
Eh?
One engine on the way, one smaller one, though.
Get you on stick.
Smaller one.
Oh, good. Come on, Daddy. It's like a water bone, that's why I'm bite now. No. Perch man, perch.
Yeah, let me get the glass one.
Perch na picture. Now bite me out of them, man. Wala na chay da sa. Watch your rim, don't keep them over there. Oh. Nice tapan natin, no? Yeah. Come on, my peeps, see. What boat can go eat me again? One. Watch out, he come out himself. Top one. Ga.
When you fry dry.
Fish back the worm pan the bait, pan the thing down to train. Straight back in the water. Yes, my peeps, I'm still like it. No fish yet. I try find a local part some way. You know, guys, I want to catch fish same way. No more line. No more line. So yes, my people change but location, you know? See, I'm going to go up and look shallow water. See if nothing of them. See if not a sea refuge. You know? We can catch some fish so far. So hopefully we can catch two, you know? Alright, so I'm putting back my glass. So we can see. I saw the movement in front of me, I can't see it. I think the crocodile in the water still, which we're not looking at crocodile, but you know,
to be very patient when I come in and play, sir. No, I don't care about keep fishing. Peace, me see a whole little fish as a square. Holy, nice fish. I wonder if I can catch a couple of them. Alright. Come in fish. Them come up and see me. So, them know so there. See him? Right there. Front there. That's up. In there. Right there. Same place. Eh? You see him see me? See him turn over this way. What that? What? I feel big one. You see them? Let me ask you, see them? Each. Peeps, so I guess if I just set off the rudder and left it at the board and there, but guess what? Them not pick. See? Them not pick, but guess what them do? Big one, no? Which one? Big one, this is square. Peeps, some nice size Q1 pressure, so but they're not bite line. You have to get a different strategy for them fish and peeps. But I don't know what I can do. Don't say I read. Stay tuned, guys, and watch your one. So yes, guys, so we have that float off in the water. See? The fish and they all over here, so. But them now grab my line, we don't know why. As him see me, them gone. You know if I the color clothes me have on or but as him see me, them gone like a lightning. See? Yeah, man. But let's see what's going on. Okay, I get a pick. I get a pick in the clips. I breeze. Alright, so what the worm still a move. Big? Yeah, do?
They said me I walk go for fish, but if the fish just go back in and drop right now water and that water okay drop.
Hmm?
Yeah, come and try catch and find.
Deep?
Hmm?
Deep?
No,
Yes, a deep.
that's how we did, but there's no more.
Boy, I'm watching up and down like this. I see them. See one day I show them this, I see him.
Yeah, man, tell
Big,
me
you know?
them. In big. In big. What's that? See them?
Top and that.
In big. Me say fish just and a nice size fish, you know.
Oh, look, fish in there, man. Uncle Lucky, man. Ano dia saya buat nama kong.
Something twist on it.
Si man. Understand udah macam mana man. Biasa dalam Java. Kau ada stick ya? Kung over here. Right there. Oh, go on. Fish has a play with me now. Got your stick. You see them? I can't.
You see him?
African perch chat. I think Jack might run. See it?
You know, gone far over there to the machine.
Go on, so.
After breeze.
Need. smell good. Oh, the book lad. Which? Same thing. Eso. Wala yes. Pasiglo. So, clat again. Each. I'll go for you one. Scatter the wall something, did look up at something there. You get it back?
With the bag?
Yeah. Won't you still use it? No. Eh? May use chair same way? Alright, carry come. Carry come. So yes my peeps, so as you guys can see, we're not getting fish yet, you know. So take off a single fire line. Hopefully that's the problem. You fish them a feed over this, a feed over this side. Over this I fish them a feed peeps. Like on over this. Alright. Let me sit down low. Sit down low my peeps, sit down low. Alright. Long row right that's all. Watch the line. Watch the line. Yeah man. Watch again Froggy. Watch again. I ain't carry gun already. That's how you nang ko do. I lift them ako lift up now. You know? Yeah. I'm just saying can na mga move. You want also fish ka? Fish. Tingde. Watch out.
Fish again.
Wala ma-catch fish down naman.
Man, when you have to catch fish,
Mhm.
you then not catch one. Try. Try go.
Which one show this on me each? Drop in the middle. ¿Cómo te son? ¿Cómo te son? ¿Eh? ¿Cómo te son?
No, it's not me. No, look up. One did I eat one of them? Man, now you can go check it out. And then if you talk with
See one. You might carry like each minute.
Oh, my cat go eat it.
Yeah.
Oh, but they
Shit. What's that now?
yeah.
What kind of wood this?
I have to change that part of the thing, but you have to put the fish come on.
Fish come off a hook.
Yes, I saw it.
Yo, if I don't know that, you're not getting no more bait. What's that one?
Big.
This is a fish. Siapa kalau hendak kita nice size fish. Show gear. Show him also. What's up? Oh, let's run from the fish. Take him up before you go back in the water. Step on him, hold him down and push your finger and kill him. Roast him now, I go. Eh? So you can bring it on. Oh, no, more something. Alright, thieves. Hold him on. Big fish. Eh? Dua lah mai lek nak sekarang. Guys, I catch fish. I mean, I catch noon. Get a couple bites in a boat. No, nah, go on for me. Yeah, look at land strong. That's come on. Catch big top on it now. What is? Peeps, me a laps. I guarantee you, me a laps. And 2 pound size fish that I get with this grab. 1 2 pound size what? Fish. Akeem a laps. Something wrong with Akeem today. That was just the man. Yeah, and jump off. Peeps, Akeem a laps. Akeem a laps, peeps, Akeem a laps. Catch on a fish stick. Yeah, oh, you think you full?
Tell me so one day I'm saying.
On top on that one. Top on that. Fucking on love speed, some big coupons or something. Give it.
I know so this big uncle.
Yeah, right there. You tell us about that, you know. Scared the igloo go up on the road. Okay, come like you know I have no fish to eat today. Hey, Yannick, need like a fish, come on. Eh?
I keep my jump up.
Yes, I jump out.
Do you have choke off in our water?
We? We have to like this. Mas, this link goes straight to Shine Bridge now. Crocodile, yeah, you seen Froggy? What? I eat that Froggy bait. And peeps. Ui. Hot there, now let him go. Hot there. Hot there. Oh God. Hot there. Phone size. Hot there. First one this, you know. I first one this. You see, I'm change okay and get.
It's something tell us say them
Get it.
they say film them that come out I think they want one him change the hook.
Alright.
Cause it come like the hook, other hook then the
Alright,
too
see
small for them.
Put him over there, so go and put him there. You can just drop him in the same way you do it, right? We wash him off. Now we take it off. Eh? Yeah, I think I now work. Yeah, my peeps. That guy go on the rod so you get to see me looking at it, the froggy. Hold him, David. Nice, David, nice. Nice, David. Hold him up, David. Don't make him jump off now, David. Hold him up, David. First one. Nice, David. No, Uncle, step us off.
But them a nice size system to put in a plate.
My daughter laugh.
Yeah, my peeps, so. Yeah. Why, you catch something? No, man, that can't fry. That can't fry. Yeah? Big fish, eh?
Mommy, look here. Nice.
Yeah, my peeps. Fish are biting, man. What? Time. Watch me, I murder them today. Let's watch this style. Big fish on. See hook can I use? Change hook. Oh, that's a flop better. What come here? Alright, peeps, I'm going to drop the line out and I open. I'm making come feet.
Stick there in front of you. Look.
See big stick there in front of you. Take up it now. Just drop it, man, I see it.
Stick, yes.
Yeah, my peeps, so. Fish, yeah, man. Pick, you know, man. Fish, yeah, man. Pick.
Yeah, man, they need to come out, man.
Dry out the water there, man.
What?
Yeah, man, take them up out.
Yeah, man, dry it up over the water.
Why the fish them a go and go hook up, you know.
But you know, so I eat the fish and live on the door. Yeah.
Yeah, but when
Them seek refuge under them.
the line a thing there. Each. Okay, you better when they come out. That's a big stick.
Oh, what?
Boxy man,
Oh, what is? Oh, what is, man? Oh, what is? Easy. Man, I beat you now. What the fuck? I'm holding man, take him off. I don't want him juke me in the butt. Hold him, David. What's that, David? If he jump off. Grab him, David. Grab him, David. Grab him. You got him? Nice, man.
Can't make them drop off back. Yeah, man. Can't make them drop off. This big man.
Yeah. Fish on, peeps. Fish on. Up there. What's up, peeps? Watch out. Watch ya! Uncle, watch ya! Okay, Yanni, come, we go home. We catch your dinner. Uncle, later, we go home, yeah? What ya? Uncle catch me in there a long time, no bitch. What ya? Whoa, Father God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh God. Come here, Yanni. Come here, you have a horse there. Oi, 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 where you go? Ah, we catch your fish, man. Yeah, you want a grub then?
Let me see if David hold him up. Yeah.
Oi, oi, oi. David, watch your man bad. Boy. Boy. 2 pounds, me get away again. Boy, peeps. You know, me back. Me back, eh? Yeah, yeah. Can't believe. See, let's get some fresh bait and come. Boy, me can't believe it, peeps. Show you people what I got on my face. Peeps, look on my face. You see my face? Now work. Get tropical on that thing in the back of your hand.
Oh, this?
Yeah. Boy, me peeps. You know look good, me peeps. 2 pound size that me get rid of these. 2 pound size. Now go back for me now. Take him up. Watch out, man. Watch out. Beat him, beat him.
Okay, I jump again.
Uncle. You want 2 pound size me get rid of?
So we have them in a Kim?
Eh? In a bag then. Look at our bag in a bag. Look, yeah, see the bag there, Ariane? See the bag there, and yeah. No, that bag, look. Right, that's in there, and. Oh, yeah. Camera ready? Camera? Yes, sir. Oh, ah, I shot my finger. Catch that hand. Oh, this. Oh, you want? Oh, yeah. How say now? Eh?
Window karaoke? Oh, no singer?
Nice, Akeem.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
And in small, they want a small and not a big catch. Pound size is still. Alright, peeps. So I go on in my catch good drum. I go over land with everything. Yeah, do. David should go back right near the bush just there now. That David should remain.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, watch the line in front of you.
Yeah, man, I watch it.
So yes, guys, so you see what I go on right now. The sun a burn. Come on, I'll go back. Like this here, peeps.
Right now, my lip come like say it dry, not even speak in the mouth.
So hot, but the fish are outside, peeps. As you can see, fish come up, bite, big fish.
And a nice.
Hold him, take him up, Sparta, take him up.
Gummy
bear. Yes, I'm peeps, so I'm there. Go and watch the line them. God, them fish are come like, boy. I want fish make it so far, about 6. This I make 6 now. No, 6? My mistake. 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 fish we catch. 6 fish. Once again. 2. You're not going good now, man. Throw the line over there.
Yeah, and yeah, we'll get away.
Peeps.
But yeah, fish will get away from you too.
Yeah, a couple of fish get away. All the 3 pound size will get from me.
No, actually.
That me I tell him now.
Camera.
That me I tell him now.
Oh, bless it. Alright. That's all, man. That is it, man. That is it, the peeps. So that's 3 for me. 1 for Yannick, 1 for Uncle, 1 for me. Yeah, man. So, roast up there right now.
Yeah, me done.
I'll find people them again. Outside like all the time. No, man, I have man, I think they're them fish now. Yeah, I have man, I roast them fish. So we know you're lucky. So yes, my peeps, so we have some tickets, you know, I light up a fire now. So, you know, Indian-style. Oil. No, I just light up a fire, like a burn down first. I must say, I'll fish you have a roast. Oh, forgot to ask Steve, cabbage. The calaloo. Where calaloo there? It's cut up, you know. Yeah, man. Alright, Sparta. Hold on, let me show you one, Max. Show you one quick, Max. You say I like it? I like it. I like it. Watch out. Yeah. No, aisle. Aisle. Eh? What's the style? That now, back enough. See this? That now, back Peter. One light. One strike. Everything catch. Understand? No, I have put that point. That's the one. No, it's not plastic. No, plastic. That catch. Don't shake it, young. Yeah? That catch. So, net that blaze up. I'll just put on the thing in point. Alright. Go on, Jay. Go on, the fire gotta lead peeps. See that? Oh, we that. Yes, man. So we chop up a calaloo. We get it steamed down for going and fish them.
We ain't chopping no calaloo, we cutting.
Oh yeah, let's cut it.
Shredding.
How you get a knife? How you take people and cake knife?
You're mad. Guy wouldn't have said that, Brad, put on your blouse and skirt knife, let's take up your shit out of pocket.
Yes, man, peeps. So you see how we do it? Straight off of the farm. This is a farm at the scene. Off a film farm, they already come off a still, but you know, they want to come off a Mari farm.
I might mix in one.
Yeah, man. So we're going, peeps. So, fire this a blaze. Blaze, you a blaze up fire, no man. Look at that.
Good. There's some Chilean stuff here, see? My brother come up by the farm, so I'm proud of it. Hello.
Yes, my peeps.
Hello.
So, I have a pot on fire. I will fry the fries them first, guys. Yeah, man, cause you know, pel. Just wake up and pel. Hungry, na peeps? Yeah,
I can't get any message in the bush, I will check again.
Yeah. Peeps, pel, just wake up. No message. Tell the people them aye. Tell the people them aye. Yeah, what's up, I can left right down here then. Tell the people them hello.
Where's Ali there?
I'm sure she just wake up.
Yeah, I'm playing the thing. I go left here. Come here, I go left here.
She thinks that we're gonna look for her. That's why she not right.
Peeps, so
You want fish,
I
baby?
pot on the fire. We have the fry just so we have some chicken breast and we have
Alright.
calaloo cut up in the bag, so it's seasoned already. So stay tuned, we have some sea fish right there too. But we have a whole heap of fish and I glue them fish have a go home still. But we have a roast couple of them. See them one of them have a roast, yeah? We got out in this already. Soak in some salt water, you see? Yeah, man. So we're going, peeps, everybody have a one fish.
People, I couldn't really wait on them. So I just have to do one fish for myself. Properly done.
Yeah, man, peeps. So David need for morning, you see?
Yeah, hungry a killer.
So watch out, going. Juicy days, water.
Where you get from now?
You have gin, grape or pineapple.
Come for your water, uncle. I'll let you fish them alone. And peeps, so we're going.
How far do you see now the igloo this?
What is that?
Hello?
A small 4 diamond for you. Right, that's all. Small 4 diamond. I'm a big brother.
Yeah, man, fries.
No, brother.
Fries. Yo. Do you want any fries, eh? You want really any fries?
No, go find it.
Fries in the fish. And there's a cook. I want to chicken breast,
Eh?
I want to breast.
Yeah, remember say me just cut off the meat part.
Oh, that's what you do.
Yeah. Me never want to fry the bone.
Okay. No, man, them mode up. Yes, man. Yes, my feet. Oi, oi. What? Yeah, nothing there, yo. Nothing there, yo. That's enough there, yo. Give. Bush life, no peeps. Bush life. Or under life. Which one?
Both life.
Boat life. On the ship. Yes, my peeps. You know? Season. Oh, you see? Oh, see tobacco me. I want to get some fish wrapper now. Alright, so if one of them you wrap, if you like with one the X, you put it one side, yeah? One the X, you put it one side.
You want the X?
Yeah, that's a David one. Must say all the fish mark. Them and peeps, so you have a calaloo letter, so. Yeah, cook now. You want to taste it? Hello? Now some ready.
Baby.
Now say some. Should. Come on, just thing in. Oh, you want me to go and see the belly of them?
Yeah.
Alright. The peeps, we have the first one and show the people them want to go on. The peeps, a whole heap of fish, we have everything here. We did everything, man. Do it. Thing there. And just have to watch it on the fire, yeah? Yeah. Yo, David, get some of them stick there and chop them through, please. And put them on the fire and put the fish on them.
Yeah, green stick.
Nice. Yeah.
Fresh?
Yeah, no, like, no, when it's fresh. Like, just
Freshly cooked?
Yeah. No, like when just pick.
Oh. So it's salty, right? Alright. No, they're not going.
What it is? Want salt?
I want nothing. I tell you, bro, I have to taste my pot when I cook it.
Okay.
I have to taste my pot when I
So I
cook
go season. Yeah. Semi I go season. I go. Nothing.
My one pound of person put in part.
Oh, see file paper. See file there?
No more.
No one.
Think of the outside.
So? On there's some black pepper on it. You know what is black pepper? Some local dirt. A carrot. And my young guy used to say I cook with dirt with black pepper. And I did. You see them thing that to do?
What do you mean?
You see the wild calaloo? You see wild calaloo? You see get wild calaloo, you know? And get the tin like the how you call it? The milk tin them.
Yeah.
And cook, see me cooking them. You see peeps straight out of the water. And we have the fire from the water and we go for the evening catch, you know? Hopefully we can catch up. You see? So stay tuned. Wrap up the rest of them, drop them on the grill. You see me? Alright. You see them one now? No? Three of them day night. Put them one side from here. You have a split and tail looks up. And tail looks there.
Oh, in tail look?
Cut off.
Oh.
Yeah. Them big still, a nice size fish.
Right, so then
Yeah. Sweet fish there. Alright.
yeah, man.
Eh?
Take them.
Yeah, that's our bye.
Yeah.
So I carry 2 file them, 2 file now.
Eh?
Oh, so one more there. And so one more again now. Well, my God, no one, man, too anxious, man. Oh, so where are you? You know, well, unless you don't want them thing there.
No money, no one.
Yeah, but them two over here. Two are here. Oh, what them man? How roast them? Eh? Are you?
Me?
Eh?
No.
Wicked. The wicked man roast them man. Look
If
at
you put
them.
all them in a one.
Eh?
If you put all them in a one.
Oh, that's why I say so. Oh, look man, fish man roast. Look man.
Yes, one.
Drop them in.
Gummy bear.
No,
Oh,
they
yeah,
want
give me
it.
the gummy bear there.
They want the bigger one to them dinner, man. That's fine.
So we don't want.
You know, just put all them in a one.
We don't want the bigger one for dinner too.
But you don't have enough big one.
Sorry for you.
Nice, man. It's alright.
Are you not tasting it?
No, I mean the eat when me say sorry.
Pepper in it? Alright, remember all I split split that one, man. The tail cut out, rust it, take up one out of it. Slide
You're
it.
literally gone there.
So they can serve as black pepper, man.
Yeah, that me just tell. What is uncle? You usually you got no? Dirt for the food, black pepper.
When we pick near dirt, grow here.
Yes, when me play Dalios boy, you see me go up on Dalios spot late and
Yeah.
nobody be father. Me now next day I'm a preach early. Me be father. Me have to be father.
As I said, them picnic grow different.
Why you not say be a fool?
Phone, tablet.
You're not active.
Little man out at door. Bicycle.
Alright, so
Sometimes pool.
that's a few to them.
Water.
The chef with one there.
Yeah. That's also them. Put them out of
That I think
That's how
properly, you know.
we
That's why 950 to kill them with it, you know.
Oh, that nice one is a few take up one. Alright, so we can get them a look.
I love all my yard.
This is it.
Can you follow you walk and you hold on it.
Yeah, remember. Who is it?
You wash off the top and come to roast it.
Now on it.
What do you mean? Roast them see how you're on the fire. You have to wash off.
Mary kind of set up that food. The fire. Put back in. Whoa. Hey, where the pound food for? You get one
Black
fish.
him. Not two black I use. I want to get them black.
Wait, uncle.
Not two black I use.
You do.
My one David that I use.
Oh, stick.
Here David.
Mary, so when you're done,
What's uncle?
yeah, MJ one yes.
Uncle, what?
MJ do what?
Don't they? Yeah, MJ fish them.
Yeah, you can shoot that fish today. Let's shoot out my water.
You want to
MJ! Leave that.
the first one is going to no glitz.
No man.
Good fish, you know. We'll catch couple more now.
Fire ready. Yeah, come place of
I left
fish.
it over here.
If you know, remember where you there.
You think I'm going there? You can lock it, no, like how it no thing there.
So far left me,
It lock. Think you're going there? Let's try that. Okay, I'm going to walk with
The green stick them I go on more.
where's the most done now, Punjo?
I want the green stick them to make like one grill.
You got to scale the
Want
fish.
some more green
One
stick like
green
this.
stick.
David have a machete.
Alright, MJ, gear now.
So, watch our gun, peeps. Look our gun. Oh, if I eat that, no man. Eh, may nakangayal na boy. Natan na. Natan, nagayal. Nagayal. Alright, peeps, so.
Yeah.
Watch out. Japan wag Japan fish fish him. Me Uncle Fox and Yannick guys mo uwi na mi no why na kung butan ng fish.
Chef only.
Alright. So, di mama 1 2 3.
Put it close on 120. Next day.
Come up my white side.
Why you choose smoky? Why you choose smoky? Oat man, oat. Watch it. Yeah, turn the fish in, eh?
That's all I do. Some like you want to run out of this already.
Is it? Like, oh yeah, yeah, I've heard from the fish.
No?
Oh yeah, we're on the China outfit. Yeah, now go.
See, I said
Yeah, almost pretty effort by the fish.
Yo, fix
No,
more
I'm
fire
not
now,
afraid
bro.
for the fish.
Yeah, that can work, that can work. You want more stick? I'll stick it one. I'll stick it one, because if you can stretch out.
two more stick.
Chop some more stick there, please.
Let my shit.
You want Mario over it, buddy. Why want to shoot him? Big enough. Pound size. Pound size. So put him by head side and show the people and say a big fish. Can you camera now show you justice, you know?
Yeah, see the peeps.
Kiss him now and see what going. No, that look good. Yes man, peeps. So I get the fish them. You know?
I want to catch what's it?
Yeah.
Okay, when box off. One.
Turn them one eye here, Poncho. Turn them one eye. I want to suppose you can turn. Boy!
Yo, we don't like it.
Flick them over, Poncho.
I chef you touch, I champion to the
Boy! Who I just come out?
champion.
Yeah man, flick all of them. Nah, nigga.
Champion.
Who I just come out of that? Next, the one eh? Should be show. Should be show. No, the one on the shoot.
Flick. See,
Feel it? See it? Yeah, just flick. Alright, now start that. Let's start it.
Fire, start color.
Just want some more fire.
Touch your fish.
Babe, that's man tap on fire cola. Yo, the man hand tough. The man hand tough and foot tough. I first miss it to blow and skirt. Man turn up on the fire cola.
Woman get me get a good man.
What say?
Any woman get me get a good man.
Danny.
I thought what? I tough is that.
Yeah, they get a good man.
You tough.
Nothing.
Yeah, cook man.
Looking good.
Watch the music.
This is it.
What you say?
Greatest.
Where are the Poncho?
I try taste piece. Watch him boy have chopstick. No?
Where's that going, Uncle?
Okay.
Carol, sit. I go get pizza once a man. David, I cut some Carol give you now.
Yeah, no problem.
Fresh calaloo.
No problem.
See, I get Carol, you have to hold the fork. Hold on for the fork.
Oh!
Give me napkin,
I bribe me, Hakim.
Yeah. Give me napkin.
Yeah. Hey.
Uncle, see, that's the juice. Uncle, that's the juice. Are you ready? I get a piece of the box here. Can't go eat out of this. You can't go eat it out of that. I'll tear a piece of the box. That's one, peeps. Oi. Come in, sit up. Eh? Where's the want it? Eh? Where's the belly full?
How am I eat?
Yeah. Yanni, just have belly full. Just not enough.
Ask him if he can give me something for you.
Watch it, my juice that's up here. Pull it down, see? Unraveling. Look at him cook. Take a test jig for deep for pan in skin. Touch him skin for. Now try peel it up. Alright, that is it, man, peeps. Try peel it up and try peel it up. No, like that. I'm gonna eat my one.
Just one.
Good.
Skip small MJ meat here.
Yeah, man.
Film ready.
Yeah, I can't look at this come yard. I get pot coffee that.
Wait, so I get pot cover. Eat out all that big fish and whoa, it smells nice, see?
Yeah, man. Bush life, you know?
Yeah. Show people them what going. Big eye, what? I biggest one I take out them.
Yeah, man, yeah, biggest one, you know.
In a bush, eh? Yeah, we eat him in a bush. What's the man? Look on flake.
Boy.
Look on flake.
Easy no chef youth.
Look on flake, huh?
See calaloo there?
Yeah, so you eat fish. That me I tell you, that's how you eat fish. Roast fish. Taste and tell you go.
Now we power.
There you go.
Wicked. Terrible.
Alright. We can move down now like how we are eating now. Because what we are doing, I left the thing there so I can't go over there so back with no weight now. Oh peeps, so this is my fish, you know. We're back on the evening set kitchen now. You know. Evening set. We not to do much video, but guys, no. So we are going to catch some fish to carry go home. I'm bringing them say one cup of fish. And you think to one cup of fish to bring go home. You know, uncle there, so uncle get cup of fish too, even though I catch fish. All I want some fish, see? So yes, my peeps. All this in the Yannick, please and thanks. Alright. Now look at my big face, peeps. I didn't think I make my face I get so big enough. I'm eating our food today. And everything goes in.
So we are good with them.
Eat. Chopstick. Chong. Alright. So I'm showing how I'm going. See that? See that? calaloo. Show people what I got. Alright, some tip line as well.
The menu was nice.
Alright, peeps, roll it up.
I just that you take out. You can't use chopstick, eh?
No, I learn. Learn less off of YouTube. Go calaloo first. Calaloo, nice. Show one fish. Yeah, peeps. So anyway, this now work, you know. See? It's not work. So me that is a class, but not work at all. So anyway, finish get some fish and show you catch the day. This is how we live in Jamaica. If you want to come live the way, link up. Remember, like, share, subscribe like all the time. We're outside. That is it.